Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the downloading bug when your game just simply isn't downloading or not showing up. So here's Alan Wake. I'm going to go and download this onto my PlayStation 5 and get the PS5 version right here. And it's going to be added to my downloads folder. And you can see it's starting to download. So I'm going to go to download. Now, if you can't find this section, what you want to do is press the PlayStation button and open up the quick menu. And there will be an entire section called download/upload. And if you're not downloading anything, this shouldn't appear. But if you can't see it, press options. And it might be under the hidden controls down here. So let's go to downloads. And we can see Call of Duty's got an update. Overwatch has an update. And then here's Alan Wake. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to start to copy and download right now. So sometimes when the game isn't downloading, you can pause it and then you can go to resume and this will prompt it to download. Or maybe there's other games in front of it in the download queue. So you might want to go ahead and select it so it starts downloading. Also, you could try canceling and deleting the download and then re-downloading it. Also, you could try clearing out all the items under here by pressing options and then go clear install items and then go to yes and just get rid of everything under this list. Otherwise, you can go to pause all and then you can just go to this one and resume. Now, another thing you want to do is go to settings right here, then go down to users and accounts, and then go to other, and try restoring the licenses on your PlayStation. Sometimes when you download something from the store, it's not working correctly, and just restoring the licenses helps fix that. You could also try enabling your console for offline play and console sharing. Just go to this and activate your console. You could try signing out of your account and then signing back in. Otherwise, restart your PlayStation by going to the power options. You can go to restart or turn off your PlayStation 5 and then just turn it on. Maybe try unplugging it from the wallet just to prompt that download. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.